Hello everybody, today I'm gonna tell you guys more about mint leaf. Mint leaf look like scenty leaf, like back in Africa, but they look different. Basically, leaves, when you go to supermarket, you see mint tea. You can as well use this amazing leaf or plant. You can boil it to make your cup of tea. You can as well grind it to cook your black soup. You can as well chop it up in your salad. Chop it up in your salad. You can as well chop it in your smoothie. You can as well blend it and make a juice out of it. You can as well chop it up with black pepper, ginger, garlic, with a little bit of olive oil, and use it to steam your lamb meat, to serve your lamb. After roasting your lamb, you use mint, chop it up, fry it a little bit with olive oil, with garlic, ginger, red pepper, or whatever pepper. Use it to garnish it. Okay, guys. So mint, fresh mint leaf, that is this one. That is this one you are seeing here. Can be juiced or made into a sauce. Mint is excellent to manage blood sugar level, and it treats skin condition as well. You can use it to bathe. You can use the water to rub all over your skin if you got rashes or you got problem in your skin, if you got flaky skin or itchy skin. You can use it to make punch drink, where you chop apple, put in mint leaf, put in your summer drink, punch drink. You can slice it in your salad. You can make it as a sauce, where you blend it, make some fried onions, tomatoes, and eat with rice. Mint is very cooling. You can chew it on its own like that. It aids in digestion and breathing disorder. Mint is well known, as an herbal remedy, easing squeezy stomach if you're having stomach problem. Mint is calming. It calms you. It calms stress and anxiety, and also promotes restful sleep. If you are struggling to sleep in the night, every night before you go to bed, guys, boil this magical plant, this leaf. Boil it with milk or water. Let it cool. Simmer a bit. Sim it a bit. Let it cool down. Drink it, gradually, slowly before you go to bed. It will aid you. You will sleep well, and it aid, when you have gas in your belly when you are fatting, it helps it to reduce the gas and cramp. If you have crampy belly, your belly's. Mint is excellent to treat skin condition. Mint is cooling and aid breathing disorder. Mint help to reduce belly fats. Wow. So guys, go to the supermarket now. I buy this one. You can replant it. You can buy it in the supermarket. Get your nice flower vase, put some compost in there, and leave it, and put it by your windowsill, anywhere in your bedroom, in your kitchen, in your lounge, in your living room. It's a very nice, nutritious, healing herbal leaf. So keep drinking mint. Use it in your everyday cooking, your salad. Use it to cook your stew. Use it to grind it and make it like a soup. Blend it and juice it out and drink the juice. And guys, mint is a healing property. It has a lot of healing property. So many healing properties in mint. So keep it, indulge in it in your everyday life, in your everyday cooking. Okay, guys, and stay blessed. And thank you for watching. Keep thumbs up for this video. Leave your comment down below the comment box. I appreciate all of you, all my viewers all over the world. I love you all. Thank you for your massive support. Leave your comment there and tell me what you think about this mint leaf. Tell me how it has helped you after watching this video, and subscribe and hit the notification bell, so that each time I upload a new video, you'll be first to be notified. So keep subscribing and keep sharing me out to your community. And thank you guys, and God bless us more. and bye and take care.